Today, Hazardous Garage, we're going to do an oil change on a 1995 Toyota pickup, also known as the tiny truck. Oh, I got to do the window repair. And we're doing window repair on the back window. Got my helpers out here. It's a nice fun day in the sun, doing your own oil change and rolling in the grass. Maybe they can dig another hole so I can fall down, like that one. Any of these. What are you doing, Riggs? What are you doing? Anyway, bring you in here to the 527 use ping pong table. Show you our parts. Got the cheapest oil I could find with Purelator. Yeah, that's fine, I'm not recording. And then might need the oil filter wrench. I doubt it, just depends. And then I got some JB Weld for that window. We'll mix it up with these little micro Q-tips, which are insanely nice. I bought those a long time ago. They last forever, and they're perfect for small jobs like that. Then I'll use a little block of wood to mix it on. I'm going to use the 14mm socket and ratchet, but you can use whatever you got. Adjustable wrench, you could use, you know, channel locks or anything like that. But whatever you need. Pretty simple project, but we'll get started. She is a beaut. Let me show her to you. There she is. 1995 Toyota. Take you around, show her to you a little bit. Got a little body damage there. Nothing big. Clear coat's pretty much brand new. Got a little dent back there. Couple scratches. It's actually my fault. I hit a concrete barricade trying to get on 75 in nasty weather. You gotta keep the back weighted up. Got the iconic logo. Oh, what was that? Somebody's drink. Got some mulch in the back too. I'm supposed to put that around the little lady's flower bed. Probably gonna try to keep putting that off for another 6 months or so until it's winter time. Then I'll use it for weight in the back. She's a little dirty. I might power wash her sometime in a later video. Interior is pretty nice. Got a little tear, but you know, she's almost 30 years old. Get rid of some of the trash. $298,000 miles, so she's almost broke in. Everything works, even the plastic cup holder. I haven't started her in a while. We'll see how she goes here. Oh, purrs like a kitten. Everything works, like I said. Even have air conditioning. Works good. Was nice and cold. Pretty cool. I haven't really had to do much to her. Alternator, plugs, wires, things like that. Just basic stuff. Nothing big. Even has the nice rear window. Oh, dirty. Yep. Guess that's gonna be a little JB Weld action. Might put that in the video too. Factory nail hinge. Pop the hood, show you where the magic happens. See if I can do this with one hand. There. 22 RE. Most reliable engine ever. And there's a little tip too. If yours is running rough, underneath this little screw right there is a little O-ring, and if you replace that every 27 years or so, it's going to run worry-free. But other than that, we'll get started on the oil change, and I'll show you how that is. We'll get it going. I just threw it up on some car ramps just because it's going to be a quick oil change, so I'm just going to slide under it right now. Decided to pull it up to the back after the mishap out in the road. Still recommend doing it out in the road over getting it changed with those fast oil change places. Their oil is terrible. Anyway, I'll bring you in here closer. Right behind this little support here, you'll find the oil pan and your little 14mm socket goes on there. Doesn't take much to break it loose. Oh my god! Alright, wasn't bad. And once you break it loose, you can just finger untight it. Now, a trick for you married fellers. You want to get a little bit of this all over your hand and arm. Makes it look like you did a lot more work than what you really did. That's about the right amount. Then when you go in, she'll be like, "Oh, you've been working so hard." And you're good to go. So we'll let that drain for a little bit. And then we'll grab the oil filter out of there. Coming up top to get to the oil filter, they put it in a real nice easy spot. So got this hose right in the way. Luckily never put the hose clamp back on it, so I just let it go. But it makes it easier to take that off. And then if you see, you have access to this underneath here, where it looks like it's on there pretty good. I think I'm going to need a two-hander for this, so I'll bring you back in just a second. Top tip. I want to take a little bit of this old oil and just smooth it around there and gives it a nice seal. And then we're good to install the new one back. Alright, now that we got the oil filter and everything back in, I'm going to tighten this back up. Give it a little wipe down. It's pretty under here. There's no rust at all. Now, here's the number one tip. When you get ready to tighten this back down, get it snug and don't come way out there with a lot of leverage. Just come on in here a little bit. Snug it up. Keep your hand real close. That way you don't over tighten it. If you get a little drip once you start it, you can always torque it down just a little bit more, but I've had to replace these and thread them out and all that stuff, and it is not fun. So you want to keep this baby looking brand new. Next, we're going to be mixing up the JB Weld to get the window back in the track and keep it there. So it won't take much. This is a 50-50 split. Ooh, yep, perfect. And you take one of these handy dandy little micro Q-tips. Get out of there. All right. I'll mix her up for just a couple seconds here. Get it all one color. Good as I'm gonna do it. Then we go out to the truck. And that's what we're doing. Ooh. Comes right out of there. So this won't take much. Get one of my little micro dabs. Man, that is stringing. I'm gonna be careful because I don't want a bunch to come back past the glass once I get it shut. A little this JB Weld goes a long way. I think that's about gonna do it here. And we'll let that set up, and that should get that done. Well, window's done, oil's changed. She's ready for another 300,000 miles. So with that being said, the saying of the day, what'd you decide it was going to be? You said there was going to be a saying of the day.
Yeah, we gotta think of one.
Don't change your oil in the road.
Yeah, probably.
Don't change your oil in the road, folks. It's dangerous.
Want me just keep going around the block?
Why don't you make a left?
Okay.
Because there's like a straight part of the road so you don't hit somebody.
Okay.
And I left my oil drain kit outside in the rain with the cap off. So I'm going to see how big a mess I can make with that. And then we'll get started. Oh! Oh! This is stupid. Barkley, get out of here. Get out of here, dog. Oh, I got this crap everywhere. Oh, oh. Good thing I have 100 shopping bags and various towels. Go, Barkley, go. Oh! Oh, good, it's mostly water. Alright. Little support here, you'll find your... I'm recording, quiet! Alright, now film me. I'm gonna say, just keep it level.
All right, wait a minute.
No, it's on.
I have my finger in front.
Okay, keep it nice and level.
Okay.
Alright, I just decided to put it up on car ramps since, yeah, I'm gonna get in the picture here. So I just decided to put it on car ramps since, so put the camera level with earth.
What do you say? You want me to cut off your head?
No, level, like, it get it like this.
Oh,
There.
okay.
I just decided to put it on car ramps since it's just a quick oil change. It won't take long, so I'm just gonna hop under here right now. Don't move. All right, I think we're done.
Okay.